Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will go through the 2019 April SAT exam, section 4, question 37. So, in this question, there's a little table right here. There's a little description. You may pause the video and read about it. So, it says there are two slabs of granite, both in the shape of a right rectangular prism. The table below shows some information about the two slabs. And what it's saying here for the first question, what is the density in grams per cubic centimeter of slab number 1? You should know the equation for density, which is mass over volume. Okay. Now, if you say, I forgot about the equation for density, well, which you shouldn't, but if that actually happens or your mind just blank out during the exam, let me give you a very good advice. Look at the units. Okay, it sets grams per cubic centimeter. That means your final answer must have a gram per cubic centimeter. And when do we have cubic centimeter? That's when you have a volume. When do you have grams? That's when you have a mass. Because you see right there, that's grams. So that's how we get the equation for density. Density is mass over volume. So how do you calculate this? You're like, oh, okay, so let me just put in the numbers. 44,000 over 100 times 20 times 8. Okay, 100 times 20 times 8 would be the volume. Length times width times the little thickness or the height of it. So now, you can just use a calculator to calculate it, but I'm going to show you how to not use a calculator to calculate this and it will still be fine. Now, one trick or one technique that you need to master is that whenever you see zeros in a fraction, if there's one in the numerator, you can cross out another one in the denominator. And there are two more right here, there are two more right here. So what is the number after the simplification? It's just 44 over 16. Okay, now you're not going to put down 44 over 16 on the answer because they are both numbers that could be divided by 4, or they're both multiples of 4. So we can actually go ahead and reduce even more. So 44 divided by 4 is 11. 16 divided by 4, it's 4. So you can simply put 11 over 4 as the answer, or if you say, I want to put numbers in there, I want to put a decimal number, then just make sure you know how to convert it. The conversion is going to be, well, 11 is going to be 2.75. You can put this into a calculator, or you can tell that every 1/4 is 0.25, and 11 over 4 is just 1/4 away from 12 over 4. So you can just do that, and you can put down 2.75 as the answer. 2.75. Okay. Either way, it's okay. The SAT knows what you're doing, and as long as you reduce it and you put in a fraction or a decimal number, that it's presentable, and it's all good. So again, if you're going to present a fraction as the answer, on the SAT, you need to make sure that it is the most reduced answer. If it is not reduced, if it is not simplified, then you will be counted as wrong. So keep that in mind for your future reference.
Do you want some extra credit? If you do, subscribe our channel. I promise you will learn a lot more and get extra credit from that. If you have any question, please make sure that you email us at goodacademics@gmail.com. If you have any question in math, science, or education, just send them in and we will do our very best to resolve your problems. And I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will continue to learn a lot more through our channel. See you soon.